Alright, welcome back everyone to another video. Today I'm going to do 4 years worth of baseball cards. We got 2016 Series 2, a couple blister packs, 2017 Series 2 blister packs, 2 of them. And 2018 Series 1, we have 1 blister, 1 fat pack, 19 Series 1, and 19 update. Kind of show you the evolution of these cards, and I wanted to do something a little bit with some variables and some differences and not the same thing constantly. So we'll start out with 2016 Series 2. This comes with a exclusive card inside, some kind of purple parallel probably. Got these at Myers. Here are the odds. So the first card is Edward Nunez, purple parallel. I like the purple parallels. Go ahead and get him top loaded. So 2016 Series 2. I haven't opened up a ton of this stuff, so here we go. Adam Duvall, Gutierrez, Trevor Brown's rookie, Jansen, Lyles, Matt Hook, Buxton, Villar, and a Griffey tribute to the kid insert. I think I've already pulled that before, but let's see. Angels team card, Tony Watson, and Brandon Barnes. Big fan of rookie. Grew up watching him play. So that's 2016. Open up another one of those. I found these at Myers, and I was very surprised to find them only for $1.99 a blister. This is a Michael Reed rookie. Pretty good shape. So Michael Reed. For a second there, I thought it was a gold because it had that on there, but it is not. Gito Knudsen rookie, Nick Swisher, Robbie Erlin, Beckham, Matt Reynolds, Flattery, Pena, Ackley, and then we have a Ed Matthews, Burger's Best insert. It's a pretty cool card. It's just a reprint. Rourke, Diamondbacks, Brett Wallace. So a couple pretty cool inserts in that. 2016 Series 2. So now we're going to move on to 2017 Series 2. I'm looking for 1 card out of this series to finish my book. After I struggle to get into it, I'll grab my paper to figure out which one it is. Series 2, I'm looking for Tyler Thornburg. Tyler Thornburg, but we have a a focus problem. Steven Cardillo. What I like about these purple parallels is how they bring the purple into the card. Like that. I think those are pretty sweet. I know you might say that this card's only worth about 25 cents, but I don't mind keeping purples. So Series 2. 2017 Series 2. Billy Hamilton, Gomez, Garcia, Hardy, Richards, Williamson. We have a Nolan Ryan insert. It's all-time all-star. I do sleeve most of my inserts because I am keeping them in a book. So, Manny Margot, Desmond Panic, Sardinas. So I don't see the card I'm looking for yet, but we'll keep trying. Another 2017 Series 2. Once again, this was in the same shelf as that other one, 2016, and I also only paid $1.99 for this. Gio Gonzalez. Zach Davies, Kohler, Bird, Matt Olson, 1987 insert. This is rookie card insert. I'll show you the back of this in a second. It's on the same stock as the 87s, which is pretty cool. Then we have a Gary Busey first pitch insert. First pitch. Cabrera, Perez, Santana, Whistler, Shields. So I didn't see the one I'm looking for there. All right, we're gonna do 2018 Series 1. Once again, very surprised to only be paying $1.99 a pack for these, when Gravity Fed packs are about $3.29, and you get the same amount of cards in it. So this has two purple parallels in it, an Eddie Rosario and a Matt Joyce. 2018 Series 1 is complete for me. I do take it. I still need inserts. If you ever wonder why I turn the card to the right hand side, it's because when you're going through the backs, I know that the number to stack up with the rest of the cards is the orientation. That's why I do that. So if you ever see me rotate a landscape card, even though it's not upright like these are, I still rotate it to the right because, oh nice, we have a gold card here, Andrew Stevenson. So this is going to be numbered 179 of 2018. So I'll take a gold card, especially for $1.99. So nice gold. Andrew Stevenson. Corey Seager insert. Silver Slugger. So nice little insert there. Yeah, like to the right. It's just so everything lines up like on the back. Villar, Simmons, Giancarlo Stanton. All right, we'll do a fat pack. It's gonna have quite a bit more cards in it. Eduardo Nunez, Maxwell, Uehara, Hernandez, Iglesias, Renfroe, Clevenger, Wainwright, nice Aaron Judge, League Leaders card. Sleeve him up just so he's not beaten up. Sims, Calhoun, Brinson, Peters, Giancarlo Stanton. Oh, nice. Nice Aaron Judge Silver Slugger Award insert. Corey Seager, 1983 insert. Show you the back of that. Brian Dozier. This might be a short print. This is a short print. Some kind of short print of his. That's cool. It was in between two inserts. I was like, why is there a base card in between two inserts? So Brian Dozier has a short print in here. I'll show you what I mean. So a base card, last three digits are 387. This is 443. So some kind of short print there. Well, that's been a pretty good fat pack. Buster Posey, Legends in the Making insert. Home Run Challenge. Garrett Cooper. Gallagher, Ian Happ, Detroit Tigers, Clayton Kershaw, League Leaders, Belt, Keshner, Cutbirth, Batista, Rodon, Marte, Lackey, Franco, CC Sabathia. So that yielded quite a bit in that fat pack. That was pretty nice. So we'll put the short print on top of that guy. So now I got some 2019 Series 1. 2019 Series 1, I'm also complete. Oh, nice. Check a Trout right off the top. Nice little Trout to start it off. Kipnis, Santana, Ponce de Leon, Mullins, Ryan O'Hearn, Rourke, Mancini, James Paxton, Gray, Angels, New York, Toronto, Morton, Arenado. We have a Trey Mancini, 1984 insert. Trey Mancini. Oh. Anthony Rizzo, Home Run Challenge. This has a scratch off on the back to try to guess when his next home run will be. We have a Juan Soto, Tops Now. JD Martinez, Duffy, Yates, Davis, Belt, Martinez, Diaz, Flattery, Peacock, Arcia, Gray, and Urena. So I had quite a bit of inserts in that one. Nice Trout. All right, update. Make sure you click subscribe, hit that bell notification, like these videos. All right, this is update, 2019 update. Update has a lot of rookies in it. Eloy Jimenez, rookie debut. Miller, Castanheira, McNeil's rookie. LeMahieu, Bird and Doughty rookie combo. Trent Thornton, Castro. Oh, look at that hit. A Vladimir Guerrero rookie gold. How about that? That is fabulous. Let's turn this guy over and see what number. 489 of 2019. One of the top cards in the update set to get, and I pulled a gold card. Wow, this random pack openings produced a lot of short prints. Quite happy. So we have a Bryce Harper, welcome to Phillies insert. Bryce Harper. Adam Jones. Diamondbacks. 1984 insert. Ernie Banks, perennial all-stars. Sorry if I'm oversleeving everything. I just got to get the inserts in there. Pete Alonso, home run derby. I don't think that's a short print. It looks funny, but because it is Alonso's rookie card, I will sleeve it. It is his home run derby rookie card, but Smith Jr., Kinsler, Allen, Yelich card, Bergen, Peterson, Long, Marcus Stroman, Brantley, Chris Bryant, and Pilar. So that one was a pretty good pack, I'd say. Bunch of inserts there. The main hit was this Vladimir Guerrero gold. That's awesome. So yeah, that turned out pretty good. Make sure you click like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.